Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Westtown Commons Shopping Center on Walker Road at University Village Apartments. Getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days. I wondered if you checked my live Facebook recordings yet. I've done a few since yesterday, since I'm allowed to do that now, and I welcome you to check that out. It's a shorter version of this one. I don't go into as many details as I do with this one, so take your pick as to which one you watch and how much information you want to know, I guess. I try to cover all of it the best I can on this one via YouTube and make a shorter version on the other one. And depending on who you are and what you like to know, I guess maybe I can help different people with different information, all amount of information. All right, let me proceed with tonight's climate summary. Turned out to be a very beautiful day today here in North Jackson and West Tennessee, for that matter. I believe as of 4 p.m. I did an early observation tonight because I'm planning on going somewhere in about a half an hour. So I better get going at that one. The skies were clear here at 4 p.m. The temperature was 88 degrees, a little bit more pleasant. It felt like 88 degrees. The heat index did. The dew point was 66 degrees. The humidity was 48%. The wind was out of northwest at 8 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.98 inches of mercury. Oh, and by the way, this beautiful weather is going to continue through at least next Monday. Next chance for rain is coming Tuesday, with highs roughly in the 90 to 93 degree bracket and lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s for the most part. And of course, we got the solar eclipse coming up Monday afternoon. Okay, now back to the stats. Low temperature this morning was 72 degrees. Today's high got up to 89 degrees. And the highest heat index, by the way, was 90, so it just about felt like the same temperature, or it felt as nice as the actual temperature. And that 90 degrees occurred at 3 and 4 p.m. But again, the actual temperature high was 89. No rainfall fell today, of course. I'm up to 2.89 inches for August and 32.93 inches for the year. The lowest relative humidity today was 48% at 3 and 4 p.m., while the highest would be 100%, and that occurred at 12 through 7 a.m. this morning. Today's lowest barometric pressure was 29.95 inches, and that occurred at 2 and 3 a.m., while the highest would be 30.04, and that occurred at 10 a.m. Today's highest wind gust was 15 miles per hour out of the west at the Jackson, Tennessee airport, and that occurred at 2 p.m. Hold on momentarily, please. I was getting a little dry there. Uh-oh, I almost lost my color too. There we go. I think it's coming back normal. That's what I get for getting too far out of the way. Okay, the sun sets tonight at 7:40 p.m. Rises tomorrow morning at 6:18 a.m. The moon sets tonight at 5:19 p.m. Rises tomorrow morning at 3:53 a.m. and sets tomorrow evening at 6:13 p.m. The moon, that is. Today's records for August the 18th. The hottest time would be 102 degrees in 1954. Coolest high would be 75 degrees in 1981. And warmest low would be 78 degrees in 1954, while the coldest low would be 57 degrees, and that occurred in 1992. And today's rainfall record would be 2.3 43 inches, and that occurred in 1969. Now, there's one thing I forgot to mention about me going on Facebook Live. I just thought of, and I thought I'd throw it in here. You got to go to my Brantley's Weather Group page to see the most recent ones, like today's, for example. Yeah, go to that, and there's a graph on my timeline that you can click on that will take you there if you don't already have the link of the group already on your computer as a bookmark or something. Alrighty, let me go on to the forecast now. It's going to be mostly clear tonight, of course, on into tomorrow. We're going to have a nice cool morning, Saturday morning, with a low of about 66 degrees. We're going to have a high temperature tomorrow of about 91 degrees. The winds will be out of the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday, fair skies continue with the low near 69 and a high of 70. Oh, excuse me, I wish it was 70. High would be that'd be soon enough, probably toward late September or sometime in October when it gets highs in the 70s. Well, Sunday's high is going to be about 93 degrees, so it's going to be kind of warm Sunday. Might even have a heat index near 100 come Sunday, so be on the lookout for that. We should have southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour on Sunday, and on Monday it's going to be fair skies on solar eclipse day. The low temperature should be near 69 degrees. The high should be about 91 degrees with south winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And once again, the peak total eclipse will be taking place here in the Jackson area and a good portion of West Tennessee, right around the 1:20 to 1:25 p.m. time frame, and will actually start a couple hours sooner, roughly, and end about a couple hours later. So I thought to give you an idea. And do not look into the sun directly with your eyes. Be sure you have those certified glasses that you got to wear to look at it. And I've been hearing don't even look at it through those glasses for more than about 2 minutes period. So I hope you take that advice just in case that's true, and it probably is. All right, now the rain returns, like I said, on Tuesday. And if you'd like to have the details on Tuesday, which I guess I can go ahead and get that to you real quick. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Tuesday's forecast is calling for very cloudy conditions with a 40% chance for some showers and thunderstorms till noon. Then it's just going to be very cloudy during the afternoon hours. And then there's another 60% chance of more showers and thunderstorms by next Tuesday night, with the low near 73 and a high of 93 with southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Alrighty, let me move on to the other graphs. Go to the surface map features, courtesy of Weather Underground. And let me see here, get this going. Let me turn the camera around so that you can see it as well. Got a cold front system actually that's trying to approach our area. I can keep it steady enough here. That's to our north. Let's see, it starts off way up there in Ontario, Canada, and comes all the way down through New York to about a little north of Paducah, Kentucky. Then it changes to a warm front on up to a low pressure in Iowa. And there you see the fronts off of the East Coast. That is a weird looking system right there, isn't it? My goodness. Alright, not a whole lot going on down to Florida, don't look like. That's a little bright right there. I might have to use that other map. I can't now, but tomorrow I'll remember that. Then you see the other highs and lows and where they're at. Another front moving into the Pacific Northwest. And there's Canada, of course, for you. And our weather. I'm not sure why it's so bright out here. I don't know if it's the angle of the camera or what. It don't look like any precipitation's going on. Well, I don't have the right map on for that one. But as you can see, there is a front to our north, and it may end up moving more into middle and east Tennessee, and stay north of Jackson, in West Tennessee, at least for the next few hours anyways. Alright, next map would be the local radar. Of course, there's nothing on it, but I'll go ahead and show it to you anyways. And this one's courtesy of AccuWeather. As you can see, we're clear here. All around us, there's not even a scattered shower on the edges anywhere. Edges of this loop anyways. All that green you see is ground clutter. So that's about the only thing that's making the radar a little lively, is ground clutter of all things. Alright, next picture will be the local Tennessee satellite and radar combo, also courtesy of AccuWeather. As you can see, most of the state is clear. Very few clouds. West Tennessee is cloud free, not a cloud in the sky. How about that? There's some to our south. Well, even most of the southern states are fairly clear today, at least according to this map. A few clouds up in Missouri, but they're moving by to our north. Okay, let me get a close-up shot of West Tennessee real quick. That's about as good as I'm going to get, probably. Alright. And one more map, the Southeast Regional Radar satellite combo. Yep, Tennessee is pretty much on the clear side. Look at that. My goodness, it's clear all over the state. Few clouds over in the western part of North Carolina along the Appalachian Mountains. A little bit of rain over there, but not a whole lot over there either. There you see Florida, where it's raining, where the sun is shining, and where it's raining, and all that good stuff. Down there, most of the rain down there is heading west. Interesting direction there. There are little clouds down there in central Mississippi. Some in Texas, northeast Texas there. There's that cloud cover up in Missouri, but I believe it's going to go by to our north, go through Illinois and Kentucky. If a few clouds go by to so it'll probably be late tonight, early in the morning. So if you see a few clouds, it's probably coming from that. Otherwise, the skies are as clear as you can get here in West Tennessee. Alrighty, I guess that's it for tonight, my friends. Hope all of you have a very pleasant Friday night, February, good Lord, August the 18th, 2017, and I hope you have sweet dreams and wake up to a beautiful Saturday, August the 19th, 2017, and I hope we get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night, and until then, my friends, good night. And may God bless each and every one of you. Good night.